A bakery sells custom cakes, and the total cost of a cake varies directly with its weight. If a 4-pound cake costs $28, how much would a 10-pound cake cost at the same rate? So when we look at this question, the key part we need to first look at is that we have a direct variation. Okay, so that means that when we consider our variables or any arbitrary variables, right, let's just say x, y, right, x1 over y1 at instance 1 is going to be the same as x2 over y2 at a particular instance 2. Okay, so what does that mean? Is that the ratios of our variables are always going to be constant no matter what. So we can apply the same concept to our scenario over here, right? We'll say we have our two variables, which are pounds and the cost, right? So we'll just say x is our how much the cake weighs. So 4 pounds costs $28, right? And that's going to equal the ratio at another particular instance where the weight of the cake is 10 pounds, and we need to find the cost y when the cake weighs 10 pounds. So notice, because of our equation, we know that the ratio on the left side and the ratio on the right side have to be the same. And since we know that we have fractions that are equal to each other, all we have to do is cross multiply to find what y is. Okay, and if we do that, we get 4 times the cost y at 10 pounds equals 28 times 10. Okay, and if you were to divide both sides by 4, what would you get for the cost when the cake is 10 pounds? 70. So that's going to be your answer, and that's how you would solve this direct variation question. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next lecture. Bye-bye.